Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make an omelet with bread. First, crack 2 eggs into a bowl and whisk them well. Add a pinch of salt and pepper for flavor. Next, lightly toast 2 slices of bread. This adds a nice texture to your omelet. Melt 1 tablespoon of butter in a non-stick pan over medium heat. Ensure the pan is evenly coated. Once the butter is melted, pour the whisked eggs into the pan. Let the eggs set for about 30 seconds without stirring. As the edges begin to firm, gently push them towards the center, allowing the uncooked egg to flow underneath. Continue this process until most of the egg is nearly set but still slightly moist on top. This creates a perfect base. Now, place 1 slice of your lightly toasted bread directly onto 1/2 of the nearly set egg. Quickly add your favorite fillings, such as shredded cheese, diced ham, or sautéed vegetables over the bread and the exposed egg. Carefully fold the other half of the omelet over the bread and fillings. Cook for another minute or 2 until the cheese melts. Carefully slide your delicious omelet with bread onto a serving plate. You can garnish it with some fresh chives or a sprinkle of paprika for extra appeal. This easy method creates a satisfying and quick meal, perfect for any time of day. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade omelet.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.